long and hectic schedule of our college life, finally, we landed at a place where we can breathe our own air.
Essence is a place which teaches you how to get the real happiness.
The need of the hour is therefore a balance between material advancement and spirituality. And that's exactly what Renaissance Camp is all about.
The way of explaining contents was really amazing, and I mean the highly philosophical topics were told with such a clarity and the ground level we can understand very easily, and nothing was told as dogmatic. It's really completely taken from the authoritative scriptures like Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita.
So science and spirituality are usually understood to be two different dimensions of human knowledge, but it's not exactly that. So when one is scientific, he can understand spirituality better, in a better scientific way. And when one is spiritual minded, he can approach science spiritually and bring two different parts of human knowledge. So this, when combined together, synthesized together, this makes a human being better. So when I attended this Renaissance camp, so that helped me a lot, and I started thinking spirituality scientifically and science spiritually.
I've interacted with a lot of students, a lot of people who need jobs. What is a common thing that I've seen across these people are basically that they are lacking in their expressing themselves. They are very well versed in their technical knowledge, and I would prefer that each one who is really looking forward to learn the art of communication to please join this camp.
The academics was the best part of the Renaissance. Among the courses which I was offered, I chose data structures and algorithm, and believe me, it was the boost for my career.
One of the most important things that students learn in Renaissance is discipline. The students are engaged from morning 5 o'clock to evening 9 o'clock in such a brilliant way. And I feel if every student gets such a training in their first year, the world will be certainly a very different place to live in.
When I saw the first drama, I was like, oh, they must be professionals. But as the drama was over, when I was introduced, oh, they're all my seniors. Everything was done by the seniors. Makeup, direction, dialogue, narration, everything, completely.
Every time, breakfast, lunch and dinner was a feast. As far as I remember, there was not even a single item which was repeated in the entire camp. Every day, new variety of rice, new variety of juice, new variety of sweets. It was just amazing.
When I went to Vrindavan, its ancient and traditional culture gave me a glimpse of what spiritual life is all about. The people there are living their lives in perfect God conscious way. They're living in complete harmony with God, nature, their own true self.
A journey what a student takes in his college life ensures the complete path of his life. Renaissance is a program which integrates the value system of life, tells a student its own strength, understands its skills, brings the holistic development for a child to come into the world and bring it with a complete forum of what do we call as human ideology.
Everything that I learned in the camp was not some dry philosophy or some wishy-washy concepts. Good to hear, but then you can't apply. Everything was completely practical. And I assure you, if you give your 100% in all the sessions, you'll experience a tremendous and a powerful transformation in your physiology, your mentality, in your consciousness, and in your personality.
So, this Renaissance camp also provides an opportunity for the younger generation to step up, take some leadership roles within the society, and generally people look forward to leaders. And when the intelligentsia class of the country would take God consciousness, certainly others would follow. And that brings about real peace and prosperity in the society.
I'm very glad to announce that my friends are organizing this Renaissance camp again this time around in 2019. I invite all of you to please come and be part of this Renaissance so that a real Renaissance can come in your life. Thank you so much.
I thought that it would be like a Sankalpa camp or the Sphurti camp. But as Renaissance camp went on, I learned a lot of things and I feel that it's such a powerful camp that can actually change your life.
Renaissance is something which changed the vision of my life. The best part of that was doing the Kirtan together. And this is something which you will never forget.
It is only by such training that I get the strength to face all the ups and downs in my life, especially the chanting of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra in the early morning hours. In all my phases of life, Gita has been my constant companion and will continue to do so forever.
I think Renaissance is a place where your faith gets strengthened in Krishna consciousness and in spirituality. I don't think I can pay back to those who present this philosophy in such a scientific way.
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
जिंदगी चुनावों का परिणाम है, चुनना आपको है, आपके लिए कोई और नहीं चुनेगा। लोग कहते हैं मुझे मौका नहीं मिला, मुझे अवसर नहीं मिला, ये मौका और अवसर आपको कोई नहीं देगा, ये आप ही को अपने आप उठाना है। जिंदगी चुनावों का परिणाम।